Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about who would be the candidate for microblading. As some of you already know that microblading might not be for everybody. There are only certain types of brows that are or skin type that are suitable for microblading. Number one is that you have to have a good amount of natural brow hair. Number two, your brow foundation has to be good, meaning that the shape, the position where the brow starts, the ends of the brows and the arch and everything has to kind of like somewhat has good foundational frame for us to work off. The reason is because microbladings basically are essentially lines with gaps in between. So those lines, they don't stay like that. They fade very fast due to the technique itself. And as each of the hairline or each of the lines fade, it will create gaps. So therefore, you would need the natural brow hair to cover for those gaps. So I'm gonna show you the type of eyebrows that are suitable for microblading, and as you can see that the frame is pretty much hugging around the natural eyebrow hair. More filled in that frame with the brow hair, the more suitable that candidate might be for microblading. And of course, we need to consider about their skin type. It can't be too oily, it can't be too sensitive. The skin has to be somewhat normal type of skin type.